Welcome to Guide Up. Today I'm going to guide you on how to delete recently closed tabs history on Chrome. For that, make sure you open your Google Chrome and you are already logged into your Google account. Now, at this home page of Google Chrome, at the top right, you can see three dot icon. You have to click over there. Now here you can see the option history, click over there. Now again here you can see the option of history, you have to click over there. Now here you can see all the application or the website that you have opened. Now all you have to do is click on the option delete browsing data. Now this box will pop up. All you have to do is select a time range, that is last 15 minutes or last 4 weeks or all time. For this video we will go for all time. After that you have to simply click on delete data. Now again you can go at this three line icon option at the top right. Click on history. You can now see that our history has been cleared. And this is how you delete recently closed tab history on Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.